Escrows with Western Title just got easier. Introducing ReProTool, an app for mobile devices and tablets. It allows you, the real estate professional, to deposit your client's earnest money check virtually, securely, and directly to Western Title. Before we get going, a few things we'll need from your buyer in regards to the check. Advise your buyer to make their earnest money check out to Western Title, and in the memo line, write the escrow number if you already have one. Then, on the back of the check, under the signature line, please write Mobile Deposit Only. Now, it's your turn. Go to your app store on Apple or Android and download the app ReProTool, all one word. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll need to make an account. Click the Register button on the bottom of the screen. Enter your email and password to log in, and then at the bottom of the page, click the button for Deposit. Select Western Title out of our sister companies, then enter your buyer's personal information, including full name, email, and phone number. Go ahead and hit Next, then you'll be entering the property information of the property your client will be purchasing. Hit Next. At the top, enter the amount from the check that your client is depositing, and then click on the icon labeled Take Check Front Photo. You'll be prompted to give the app access to your camera. Make sure you've placed the check on a solid background or a background that has contrasting colors to the check. Hit the circular shutter icon on the middle right to take the picture. You'll also need to do this for the back of the check. Remember, the signature line should be blank, and underneath it, the phrase Mobile Deposit Only. If the photos are blurry, you may be prompted to take the pictures again. Once you've submitted, a confirmation email will be sent to you and to Western Title. Our escrow officers will tie the earnest money check to the appropriate escrow file. Please note that if you haven't yet opened escrow, we suggest you call or email your escrow officer to let them know you sent a check through the app. Once you have received the confirmation email, we ask that you mark your client's check as deposited by writing Converted to Image on its face. You do not need to bring the check to us and can now dispose of the check properly and securely. If you have any questions about the app and how to use it, please contact our sales department. We look forward to making escrows even easier at Western Title.